From affordable office minis to customizable gaming rigs, these mini PC contenders pack desktop might into impressively petite packages. Our reviews analyze everything from multimedia chops to business productivity, with highlights including Intel's powerful NUC 12, MSI's VR-ready Trident X2, and budget picks like Acer's versatile Chromebox. So, without further ado, let's begin.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
The MINIX Neo J51C8 is one of the top mini PCs for transforming your office into a productivity powerhouse. Out of the box, it delivers smooth 4K streaming to 3 monitors via HDMI and USB-C, while 8 GB RAM and 512 GB of SSD offer rapid responsiveness for demanding programs. Dual 5Gbit Ethernet provides a lag-free backbone, and 4 USB 3.2 ports ensure swift peripheral connections. Housed in a durable yet stylish aluminum chassis, the fanless J51C8 operates 24/7 without overheating. For an affordable, future-proof mini PC that makes light work of heavy office loads, the MINIX Neo J51C8 is hard to beat. The MSI Meg Trident X2 packs desktop-grade power into a compact, console-sized chassis, making it one of the ultimate mini PCs. Armed with Intel's 13th Gen Core i9 and NVIDIA's beastly RTX 4090 graphics, it delivers buttery-smooth 4K gaming while AI enhances frame rates. Liquid cooling and an advanced airflow system enable the Meg Trident X2 to run whisper-quiet without thermal throttling. With PCIe Gen 5 storage, DDR5 memory, Wi-Fi 6E, and 5G LAN, it has next-gen hardware for lightning speeds across the board. For an immersive, cutting-edge portable gaming battle station, the feature-packed MSI Meg Trident X2 can't be beaten. It brings desktop dominance anywhere you want. Apple's latest M2-powered Mac Mini packs a knockout punch in a petite package, delivering blazing fast performance for creative pros. The unified memory architecture and 10-core GPU blaze through editing 8K video timelines in Final Cut Pro, while machine learning chops empower one-click color grading. Dual Thunderbolt 4 ports enable lighting quick transfers from external SSDs, and you can outfit it with up to 2 TB of onboard PCIe storage. Wi-Fi 6E and 10GB Ethernet ensure fluid collaboration in the cloud or across a network, all in a box no larger than a pair of stacked CD cases. If you need pro-grade power to churn out professional creative content anywhere, the Mac Mini with M2 can't be matched. Need a mighty mini PC for breezing through daily computing? The palm-sized MINISFORUM EM 680 packs a serious punch. Its Zen 3 Plus-based Ryzen 7 6800U CPU with Radeon 680M graphics choose through web browsing, documents, streaming, and lightweight gaming with ease. 32 GB of speedy LPDDR5 RAM ensures smooth multitasking, while a 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD offers Lightning app launches and transfers. Cold Wave 2.0 cooling enables full performance in a near-silent, fanless design. With Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, dual HDMI 2.1, and a bevy of USB ports in a compact aluminum chassis, the EM680 brings power anywhere for work and play. The ASUS Chromebox 5 brings zippy ChromeOS desktop power to students in a petite package. Its 12th Gen Core i5 flies through web work, documents, and media, while Intel Iris Xe graphics handle lighter gaming and creative projects. With Wi-Fi 6E for lag-free connections, Thunderbolt 4 enabling speedy peripherals, and dual HDMI supporting up to 4 4K displays, it has next-gen ports aplenty. This VESA-mountable mini PC even touts sustainability cred with its recycled plastic build. And delivering automatic software/security updates with virus protection, the ASUS Chromebox 5 provides carefree, student-safe computing. For an affordable, eco-friendly mini workhorse suited for education, it can't be beaten. The Acer Chromebox CXI4 delivers all the perks of ChromeOS in a small yet powerful package perfect for the home or office. Its energy-efficient Intel Celeron processor and 4 GB of RAM provide snappy response times for web browsing, docs, media, and more, while the 32 GB SSD enables swift boots and app launches. Dual-band Wi-Fi 6 and Gigabit Ethernet ensure speedy, reliable connections with USB and HDMI ports aplenty for hooking up peripherals and dual 4K displays. Housed in a sturdy steel chassis with VESA mounting, this compact workhorse even touts enhanced security via data encryption and verified boot. For those seeking an affordable, fuss-free Chrome OS desktop, the Acer Chromebox CXI4 is a top pick. Intel's NUC 12 Extreme Barebones kit packs a punch for custom-built mini powerhouses. Its 12th Gen Core i9 gives you desktop-grade multi-threaded muscle, while the bundled RTX 3070 Ti delivers silky smooth 4K gaming with ray tracing enabled. Populated with a whopping 64 GB of DDR4 RAM and 2 TB of NVMe storage, it blazes through intensive workloads. Connectivity excels too with Wi-Fi 6E, 2, 5GBE, Thunderbolt 4, and a stack of USB 3.2 ports ready for today's fastest peripherals. Wrapped in a subtle yet striking 14-inch chassis with RGB flair, this portable performance beast makes no compromises. For an ultra-compact, do-it-yourself rig built for speed, the NUC 12 Extreme can't be beaten. So those were our picks for the 7 best mini PCs you can get. Do let us know which one of these you found to be the most suitable, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.